Are you finding it impossible to escape stress these days? Well, know that it is a certain specific loop that a lot of people are experiencing right now. And once you see it for what it is, it's going to be much easier to deal with it and to interrupt the pattern. I am a certified spiritual life coach, and I have helped many people who are on edge to interrupt this pattern and find inner peace, to find calm. And in this video, I'm going to describe the loop to you so that you can recognize it too. So it's not just that something is wrong with you. As I said, a lot of people are going through this, and it's just a pattern that repeats itself. What happens is that over time, stress just compounds itself. So it gets more and more difficult, especially after age 40. And you're probably going through doing a lot of activity. You have a significant other you need to deal with, your family, either your job or your business, your health. And it just seems that there's always something to do and you can't get a break from it. And then your mind kicks in and it says, gee, why can't you handle this anymore? You used to handle this all the time. You can see other people handling it. What's the matter with you? And the more your mind tries to search for solutions, the more stressed out you get. And then you try to calm down. You try to find a coping mechanism. So maybe you scroll through your phone, or you just zone out in front of Netflix or a book, or maybe you go to the gym and you work out, or you take a walk outside, or maybe you're feeling tired and you go to take a nap. But none of these things really help. Even getting a good night's rest doesn't help. It doesn't help you to calm down. If you can identify with what I'm describing here, I think you'll like the free Calm in the Moment kit that I've created. It has a 3-minute meditation that you can use at the start of your day to set yourself up for a calm day. It has a 1-minute reset that you can use all throughout the day to keep the stress at bay and to stay calm throughout all your activities. And it has 15 journal prompts that you can use whenever you have some time to sit down and reflect upon your life. If you'd like that, just find the link below the video here, click on it, and I'll send you the link. But this loop has 3 parts to it. It has the constant activity where you're always involved, there's always something to do. The second part where your mind starts questioning, why can't you do this anymore? Why can't you do this? This person does that. And it starts searching for solutions, making you feel even more stressed out. And then there's the trying to cope mechanism, where you're trying to be calm from what you've read and what you've heard, either with zoning out or scrolling or going to work out or taking a walk or trying to get some sleep. So this is a pattern, and I have a question for you. Where do you see yourself? If you're feeling stressed out, are you more the person who's always doing something? Is it more that you're thinking all the time and your mind is coming up with excuses for you and telling you that you're not able to do this stuff anymore? Or are you the person who's just trying to find some calm in life? If you wouldn't mind, if you feel comfortable with it, at least think about where you see yourself falling in one of these 3 levels. And if you don't mind, just leave a comment below. It'll let me know where I should focus on my next videos. And in the next videos, I'm going to go through and give you solutions to these things with whatever you're feeling. And for now, just be aware of where you see yourself, that you see yourself, be aware when you see yourself feeling that stress, and then what area you see yourself. And just know that there's nothing wrong with you. It's just a pattern that everybody's going through and will continue to go through until you learn how to interrupt it. And if you'd like the Calm in the Moment kit, find the link below. And if you'd like to go a little bit deeper with this, I have another video that you can access right here.